Alright guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ari Meister here and I hope you are enjoying this new video. So I'm gonna show you today in this video how to get virtually unlimited Nintendo Gold points without you needing to pay for it. It is directly approved by Nintendo. So let me clarify, this is not a hack, this is not an exploit. Nintendo will still get paid real money for these gold coins, for the allocations of these credits. So basically the way it works is that you're going to watch a video ads or something along those lines just for a couple of minutes, and then they will add a fairly significant amount of money in your Nintendo account, which convert into coins. So for example, I was able to receive $100 credits for basically watching 4 minutes worth of video ads on this website, and it works anywhere in the world. So I'm gonna show you guys in this tutorial how you can sign up, how to use it. It is really easy and simple, and this level of advertisement made for Nintendo codes just got released this year, I believe. It is 100% legit, it does not break any rules, and it is in fact pre-approved and partnership with Nintendo. So guys, if you are interested in this video and you want to get free Nintendo eshop codes, make sure to like this video and subscribe. Okay guys, the first step is to go to the website I am showing right now. Here you will be able to get virtually unlimited Nintendo Gold coins, guys. The only requirement is to qualify, but do not worry guys, it is really easy and it takes only 2 minutes or less. Just answer the questions and then you're ready to go. Okay guys, hope you have enjoyed our video. This is especially for people who love Nintendo and want to get free games and other premium content for free. If you want me to check more sites like this, let me know in the comment if you like this type of content. And if you like the video, do not forget to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps with this content. And guys, have a great day and enjoy these codes.